In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your WordPress website and start over from scratch. Now, there's only one way to do this effectively, and it involves logging in to your website cPanel. So there's a few different ways that you can access your cPanel. The most easiest is just by heading over to your website URL, and at the end of the URL, you just need to type in /cPanel and hit enter. Then that's going to go ahead and connect you to your website cPanel. Of course, you'll need to know the login information in order to access this. If you have forgotten your login credentials, you could always try resetting the password at the bottom. Now, the second way to get to your cPanel is by accessing it through your web hosting. Now, for my web hosting, I use a company called Brixley. Yours might be different. You might use GoDaddy or HostGator. There's a bunch of different hosting providers out there. And all you simply need to do is log into your hosting account, and it might look something similar to this. So how I get to this on my platform is I click on Manage, and then at the top here, you can see I have this option to log into cPanel. Now, like I said, depending on your web hosting, it may look slightly different how you get to this page. Now, once you're on your website cPanel, you just need to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see this WordPress Manager by Softuclus. So we're simply going to select that, and here we'll see all of the different WordPress installations across our different websites. So all you need to do is select the website that you want to start fresh from, click on this drop down arrow like so, and then if I scroll to the bottom of this, I'll have the option for uninstall. So now if I select this like so, you need to make sure all these three options are checked: remove directory, remove database, and remove database user. Scroll all the way down and select remove installation. As you can see, this is completely irreversible, so once it's done, all of your WordPress stuff will be removed. Click on OK, and then you'll just need to wait a few minutes while this goes ahead and deletes all of your data. Now, like I said, this is the only way to effectively start from scratch. You can sometimes use plugins to achieve a similar result, but this tends to leave a lot of files and folders left over. So once you've removed the installation, we can just press return to WordPress management, and then right at the top, we're just going to press install. Scroll down to the URL section and select the URL where you want to reinstall WordPress. Click on the version of WordPress that you want to install. I'd always recommend setting the latest version. For the protocol, I'm just going to install this in HTTP, as we can change this to HTTPS later on. Once you've selected that, just come down to site settings and fill in your general information about your website. Select a username and password like so, and then just go ahead and type in your admin email address. Once you've filled in all of the information here, scroll all the way down to the bottom and press install, and that's going to go ahead and reinstall WordPress to your website. And now if I click on the link where we've just installed this WordPress to, you can see we have a completely fresh blank installation of WordPress. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.